Hi, I'm Queen of Tears here, and okay, she's out of the box for a reason. I tried filming this one time, but that was with the camera app that this actually originally comes with, but, well, it doesn't actually work, because, well, I can't upload it to YouTube, and I actually have to go to YouTube and press that kind of thing. So, I'm going to come with the box over here, so, I'm starting a new series where I'm going to do Monster High doll reviews. This is the first episode. Hopefully it's not going to take that long. So this is Monster High box. This is Laguna Blue, daughter of the sea monster. That dead gorgeous doll. It explains the dots things. Back here it shows two of the other characters that are alone. Okay, this is, you might have to turn your head for this, because I can't actually get this. I'll turn it this way and show you. You can't quite see it all. I'm sorry. Don't know why it's doing that today. Oh, I don't think they have enough light. My head's in the way. Okay, I'm gonna have to move my head so you can see it. So you might not be able to see this. So I'm not gonna actually delete this because it will take too much time away. So this is her, and there's the other two are Operetta and Spectra. And then there's it doesn't have it on the box here, but there's also a box of 3, not exclusive, and it's actually probably exclusive to Walmart, I don't know. But the probably exclusive box of Dead Gorgeous has Abby, Abominable, Julia Yelps, and Jackie Laura. And sorry about the background sound, that's my big brother Michael. So first I'm going to show the stuff that she comes with. She comes with a little picture here. It says her name, Laguna Blue. On the back it actually has this. And on the picture for these three, it actually had the picture differently. But yeah, here's her picture. I put it how it came out. Okay. Now her phone might be a little loose, but it's a little loose for me. But her phone is actually light blue. There's a way how you can tell the difference from three of the phones, and I meant eye coffins. Dracula's eye coffin, where her Laguna's is light blue on the spots. Hers is pink on those spots, and Spectra's eye coffin is actually purple on those spots. So this is her little eye coffin. You can't quite put it on her hand because of her little webbed fingers. So here's a little right here, which I made it. Okay, it's a little hard to get out. There's a little makeup thing. You can't close it because that will make it a little weak. I actually closed it a few times, and that's how I learned. So I'm not going to close it anymore. And this right here is actually her little purse. She actually comes with She actually gotta get it. Sorry about that. She actually comes with a little bitty brush. It says Monster High. This is her little stand. She comes with a stand. Finally, a new stand. Okay, whatever. She actually her hair comes with this, like, originally. Her little ponytail is pretty neat, and it comes loose, which I'm not gonna take it off. Sorry about the background sound, whatever, but she has this little pearls on this and that. She has nice little makeup, nice eyes, and little bitty freckles probably. show these are freckles. Her hair comes originally yellow and light blue. She has a nice little dress all the way down. This is connected. Her little belt is connected to the dress, and it's a little shoe star. This is pretty neat. I really like it. It's dark blue or light blue. I can't tell. On her other hand, has pearls and also squid arms or octopus arms, whichever. I don't care right now. And there's 4. Her dress has little bitty bubbles all over the place. It's really pretty out here. It's actually 3 different layers in the pink. If I pick this up, pick all of this up. It has the underskirt. Got an itch. Okay, her little feet. This came like it originally. Well, not this one, but this one came like that originally. Well, I took this one off and moved it on accident. It did just almost end. Whatever. Her little shoes are pretty neat. They're a little bit wavy on right here. Got a little pearl on. It came with these originally, so they would stay on. And pretty much it looks pretty cool. Cool. I do that kind of stuff, what I'm saying. So this is Laguna Blue. Well, got that gorgeous Laguna Blue. So bye. See ya later on my next toy review, which might be in a few minutes to an hour, or longer if Marsha is asleep. I mean, Mela. That's her new YouTube name. So if you want to check out Mela's channel, it won't be in the description. But her channel is actually called Mela Loves Singing, or I forgot her other channels. But if you want to see her singing channel, it says Mela Loves Singing, and she probably is subscribed to her other channels. So bye. And right now you're singing the back of one of my blankets.